minus 13 outside, wind chill. Look at it! Look at it, man! Get off this godforsaken mountain. We got 7 degrees. See where this drops down to now.
Dedication's what you need.
What are we
You
doing,
want to
man?
be a record breaker.
Right, it's not the best weather, as you can see. We're going to try and head up to
Sleet.
Fan Brycheiniog. Yeah. We got 4 degrees on the dial. The only problem is now it's like 3 o'clock. We've only got about an hour and a half till it gets dark. So we're just going to try and get up as high as we can. It's already really dark. The rain is so heavy. It's going down.
Was 10 is it on?
There's very animated video so far. It's all over the place, man.
What, the other water going everywhere? Oh, it's like that ride in Oakland Park, what's it called?
The waterfall.
Cloud all the Fan Brycheiniog and that.
Stuck in the van a minute. We just don't want to get out. It's hellish.
You!
It's hellish windy and rainy out there.
Nah, I don't want to get wet at the minute, like.
We got our waterproofs on ready. The phone is shaking because I'm shivering.
Yeah,
I haven't even gone outside yet.
because you're probably scared, that's right.
Scared, yeah. Van, come fair distance, just following this stream all the way to Van Vour. There's a wild pony bear as well. Up in the clouds we are. Yeah.
It's coming down now, isn't it?
We're all set up on the top of Fan Brycheiniog. As you can see, it is blowing a hoolie. 50, I think he said 55 miles per hour.
Feels like it.
It was a struggle to get the tent up. Cuts it up in the sleeping bag now. I got straight in. Starting to warm up a bit.
It lands like a block of wood, man.
I gotta get some food on the go, I think now. Starving.
I mean, only the most diehard of campers do this.
Well, stupid us.
Yeah.
Irish stew I got for tonight.
Aye.
I was trying to find them mylar bags.
Ah, right.
Save a bit of weight, but it don't matter, does it? The stew is done. The red wine. 7 Peaks, I think it's called. Put it on the screen here. Rain's in. Is it hailstones?
Yeah, I think it is.
Hailstones. Yeah.
Bit of rain in it, I think. Oh my.
It'll be a bit chilly tonight. I got a lot of my gear on. I can still feel a breeze coming through the bottom end of the tent. I'm just hoping this sleeping bag is going to work. I've never tried it before. It's got aerogel in the centre of it. See what it's like now. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to freeze to death. So you won't see a bad review, will you? Oh my word. Sounding rough. Why? Why have I done it again? It's character building. So like a Yeah, it's sounding a bit rough. Oh man. Yeah. Yes, man. Oh, it's freezing, man. Look at that sideways rain.
I know.
Hell's throwing up. 300, right? So luckily I got some earplugs to test out tonight, so I'll do a separate review video of these. I won't get into them too much, but they look quality. They should do the job. Let's hope. It's gone rough. The wind has really picked up now. I still feel safe in this. Just had to get out for a pee. It's not advisable. It's 1 degree, minus 13 outside, wind chill. Right, meal number 2 now. Chicken and mushroom pasta. So I've definitely got some drips coming in. Oh, you can see it looks like rain. It's not these. Should still see it. I don't think it's just the condensation. I can see a condensation there, but it feels like more than that. But I'm in the inner, so it should run down the outside of this. Let's hope. Wind's gone a little bit bonkers. Oh my god. Wow. It has gone rough. I do trust this A-frame, but my friend Lee, who's on the other side there, my friend Lee, who's on the other side of Black Mountain, said there's thunder and lightning down there. I'm very concerned. We're on the of the mountain. I've got a blinking lightning rod on the top of my tent. And we are actually thinking, should we be trying to get down? Let's have a look outside, shall we? Why not? There's his tent. What's it like over in Acto Town? Good, you know, this thick pole here is still bending. Look at the size of it. What Fisher Price tent, huh? Oh, yeah. Right. Good. Bloody hell. I hope now we don't get thunder like then, like. Thanks, right? Slimming now. Yeah, I'm going to go out there once I've eaten this, so I'm going to go out and have a little check. I just realised my sleeping bag is really wet. What's going on? It's coming through the inner. Yeah, the inner's soaking. Oh man. Ah, oh, the one time I didn't bring my bivvy as well. Little snack. Cornish sardines. This wind just keeps picking up more and more. That's my inner tent. It's not supposed to be moving like. Well, I just got the super strong 46.3 whiskey. Oh, that's nice. That is lovely. It tastes of like the barrel. That's a good taste. So, sleeping bag's got soaking on the outside, but it's completely dry on the inside because that aerogel layer seems to be locking out the moisture as well. All the fluff is underneath it. So let's hope. Let's hope, because this is the only sleeping bag I got. Wow. It's not staying dry, is it? Oh man. Right, first issue unfortunately. I was trying to pull this zip back up just now. It's come off. Got it. Cannot get that back onto there. There's no stopper on this side either. It's just going to have to be a quilt tonight. The whole tent is soaking inside and out. Over this now. The top of my seat bag is drenched. It doesn't stop the rain coming in at the top. Just found my trousers. And these were in the inner. Coffee now, starting to warm up. I'm just thinking of the escape plan now. I can't wait for the first light to go, to be honest with you. Get out here. I've never known a tent to leak so much. I fully seamed it, painted it all with Fabcell. It's coming straight through. Earplugs worked really good. I got off to sleep. I took them out halfway through the night because they were very uncomfy. Just lying on my side, I could feel them digging in a bit. Sleeping bag. Zip broke, yeah, but I don't think anything else would have coped under these conditions. That layer of gel is on the outside. It kept the inside really dry. Every time I was turning over, it was running down onto my air mat, making little puddles for me to lie in. That was delightful. We have got snow outside. I'm not even bothered with that. I'm just trying to think how I can escape. So I'm thinking I got two options. Get the wet trousers on and remote proof trousers over the top, or just keep my leggings on, which might not be too warm but they're dry. It's already melting a bit, look. This has not let up one bit. Look at it.
Packing away in the tent, right?
I'm slowly packing away now.
That is?
Yeah. I want to get a picture of the tent before we go, and then we just down as fast as possible. Dripping. It's not a good sign, is it? Inside the inner, like. Look at it! Look at it, man! Right, shout out to my members. These ones, yeah? And I think once I get out of this tent, I'm not going to do any more filming. I'm just going to stuff it in the bag and get off this godforsaken mountain. Until next time, Briggly Briggo and whoosh bang. Right, made it safe from the camp out. As you saw, we were just stuck in the tent the whole time. I didn't get any footage outside. As soon as we got outside that tent, our hands were absolutely freezing off. It was awful. Driving freezing rain sideways. In fact, I've burnt my face. That's just from the rain this morning. Most extreme camp I have ever done. That was crazy. I definitely want a little bit more comfort next week. So I might go out in the woods or something and cook up something on the open fire. Definitely need a little chill after that. That was ridiculous. But thanks for watching. I will be back out again. Maybe it won't be quite that extreme next time. We'll see.